Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you guys are wondering how to add education or add up your college or university on your LinkedIn profile, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started without any delay. You can start by opening up LinkedIn on your device, any of your device, and once you are there, you may go over to your profile. Look out for the me icon in the top right here and expand it up. And from there, go to view profile and open it up and open it up. Once you open it up, you may just scroll through your profile until you reach over to the section called education. Right now, I already have added one, but if you have not added one, you just need to head over and click on this plus icon right here, or you will be finding option of add education. You can head over and click on it. And once you do so, it will give you option to add your details about your education. So for example, you can just go ahead and type in your university. For example, this one right here. And your degree, if it's a bachelor's degree or your master's degree, you can just go ahead and type it. And once you do so, you can type in your field of study. For example, computer science, let's say, and your start date and year. So let's say I started last August on this year right here, let's say 2019, and it ended on this month. If you've already graduated, you can select the end date or you can leave it as it is as well. Let's say we already graduated, so I'm just gonna go ahead and select it. After that, you can type in your grade as well. And once you do so, you can type in your activities, etc., and even add up description. And apart from that, you can add up skills. You can add up to your top five used experience skill in this section right here, and even your media like images, documents, site, or presentations, and just go ahead and click on save. And once you confirm it up, the education will be added. You can just go ahead and skip this out here, and when you head over and go to your profile right here, you can see your education in your LinkedIn profile, your college or school. You can even add up your school. Look out for this plus icon and add up your school details and everything here, and click on save. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.